Indian Army. A legacy of courage. A vision for tomorrow. From mastering cyber domains to redefining battle tactics. From cutting-edge innovation to unwavering resilience, every step is calculated, every move decisive. Unyielding in spirit, unmatched in strength, unstoppable in progress. Indian Army, forging the future. The nation is on course to achieve the vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047. Security is a prerequisite for unhindered growth, and the Indian Army is a sentinel guaranteeing security against all threats, external and internal. To be able to secure the nation's future in the face of rapidly evolving threats of modern warfare, the Indian Army, under the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, is transforming into a technologically advanced, self-reliant force. Infantry units are being reimagined with next-gen gear and cutting-edge equipment. Surveillance has taken a quantum leap, harnessing nano drones, satellites, and advanced drone innovation. Precision in battle is unmatched. Revolutionary communication networks and counter-drone measures secure the battlefield edge. Logistics are smarter, faster. Artificial intelligence and high-power computing form the backbone of future readiness. Today's Indian Army thrives on agility and impact, standing as the cornerstone of the nation's security and the architect of a brighter future. Training is relentless, sharpening minds and bodies into instruments of unyielding strength. Women are leading the way in uniform, shattering barriers that once seemed unbreakable. On land, in the skies and across the seas, India's forces move as one. The Indian Army is forging deeper bonds with its brother-in-arms, enhancing synergy to forge an unbreakable shield that protects the nation. For India, we stand united, always ready, always victorious. In times of disaster, we are the first to respond, saving lives and restoring hope. Through goodwill initiatives like Operation Sadbhavna, we are stabilizing India. We empower tribal communities to grow financially while preserving their unique identity. Through Goodwill schools in remote areas and Asha schools for the specially abled children, we are providing quality education and the promise of opportunities to the underprivileged. The Army supports nation-building initiatives like Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, Har Ghar Tiranga, and vibrant village programs. From securing our borders to fostering development, the Indian Army is building a stronger future for India. From the front lines to the barracks, homegrown innovation fuels the Indian Army's power and tactics. Partnerships with local industries drive progress, generating employment and strengthening the economy. With every move, the Army personifies the sense of Atmanirbhar Bharat, forging a path of independence. In the midst of conflict, the Indian Army stands as a beacon of peace. From India to the world, we carry the aspirations of humanity, building alliances and reinforcing connections across nations. From the battlefield to the Olympic stage, the Indian Army's relentless spirit drives every race, every match, every victory. Our Paralympic athletes embody resilience, proving that no barrier is insurmountable, no matter the challenge. In their bravest moment, the Indian Army stands with the Veer Naris, not as a duty but as a promise. The veterans of the Indian Army are not just custodians of our past, but also the pillars of the future. We are committed to drawing from their invaluable wisdom in national security. The Indian Army, a force rooted in tradition, now equipped with the technologies of tomorrow. From the icy heights of Siachen to the blazing sands of Thar, we remain resolute. Each step we take is a vow to defend. Every action a proof of our resilience. In peace, we build. In crisis, we shield. In battle, we conquer. Indian Army, forging the future.